Now let's move on to open world games. For those that are not familiar with this, it is an incredible world that you really need to discover. For those that do, we're going to give you the top 5 open world games to make sure this lockdown boredom and all this incredible bad news and forever sad news. We open social media and it's always just, really, really bad news. Take a break from some of those. Try out these games.
The COVID-19 pandemic is creating havoc in our lives. We hope that our viewers are safe, healthy, and more importantly, staying at home. Yes, we do understand that staying indoors can get boring sometimes, so we thought why not help you out and share with you the top 5 open world games that will make you forget that boredom. We want to start this list with the amazing, spectacular Spider-Man. One of the best superhero games developed in the past few years, Spider-Man is a PlayStation exclusive. Developed by Insomniac, this Spider-Man game gives us a break from our regular lives and injects us with adrenaline as we go for a swinging session across New York. Available on both PS4 and PS5, players get a chance to live Peter Parker's life as we swing around the city and protect residents from the Sinister Six. In the game, New York City is more like a character that helps the player understand the mechanics of being a superhero in the 21st century. Not to mention that this is indeed the most accurate depiction of New York in video games. We get to see New York hotspots like Harlem, the Chrysler Building, and even Times Square. Great dialogues, amazing graphics, and a wholesome storyline make us feel part of a movie that we can live in. There is a huge arsenal of gadgets that Spider-Man can use to protect New Yorkers from crime lords like Kingpin. What we love most about this video game is that between all of this action, it stays true to Spider-Man's motto that with great power comes great responsibility. The next video game on the list is Assassin's Creed. Yes, we know there are so many of them that even Google finds it difficult to suggest answers. But the game we want to suggest to you today is Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Available on both previous and current generations of Xbox and PlayStation, this video game sets a tone like no other title in the lineup. The setup switches between the modern-day Earth and the Golden Age Asgard. Players get to live in this action-packed atmosphere while enjoying one of the best storylines that an Assassin's Creed game has offered in a long time. The next game on the list is perhaps one of the most underrated open-world games to ever come out. Again, developed by Ubisoft, Watch Dogs still remains one of the most unique games that we've seen in a long while. Set in an alternate timeline's Chicago, this game shows us the darker side of technology. The story follows the life of hacker Adam Pearce, who sets out to find the killers of her niece. With a gripping storyline full of emotions, this game makes the player feel connected to the character. From high-tech gadgets to larger-than-life action pieces, Watch Dogs is a complete package. The game's success leads to 2 additional games in the franchise, Watch Dogs 2 and Watch Dogs Legion, but the original still remains our favorite. The next game on our list was the game of the year 2018. It is Santa Monica Studios' God of War. Our favorite angry god Kratos is back, this time with his son Atreus, or as he likes to call him, Boy. The story is a continuation of the God of War series and picks up from where God of War 3 ended. The setup has changed from Greek mythology to Norse. Kratos is living in the woods and has now raised a family, but things go downhill for the ghost of Sparta when his wife Faye passes away. Before she dies, Kratos promises to take her ashes to the highest mountain in the 9 realms. The story gets interesting when we learn about how Faye had her own secrets and that Kratos and Atreus are part of a bigger oracle. Unfortunately, God of War is also a PlayStation exclusive. Sorry Xbox folks. And with that we come to the final game on our list. Hint, it was at one point the highest selling game of all time. Yes, we're talking about GTA 5. No open world games list can be complete without mentioning Rockstar Games' crown jewel. Introduced in 2013 on the previous gen consoles, the popularity of GTA 5 is still going strong. And why not? It is perhaps the best open world game to be ever developed. There's nothing that you can't do in this game. You can swim, walk, race, play tennis, and even take your dog out for a walk. This madness is packed along with an equally amazing storyline. Following the tale of 3 characters, Trevor, Franklin and Michael, a player gets to see 3 unique perspectives of the same story. The game is available on PC, previous and current gen consoles. And if we know Rockstar, it should be available on next gen consoles real soon as well.